Welcome back to SwiftGet. What is augmented reality? I would like to show news preview channels which uses AR or augmented reality. AR is an interactive experience of real-world environment where the objects that resides in the real world are enhanced by computer-generated perceptual information, sometimes across multiple models including visual, auditory, haptic, and olfactory. AR can be defined as a system that fulfills three basic features: a combination of real and virtual worlds, real-time interaction, and accurate 3D registration of virtual and real objects. I think the video shows much more clear about AR. AR plays an important role in eyeglasses. AR displays can be rendered on devices resembling eyeglasses. Eyewear that employs camera to intercept the real-world view and redisplay its augmented view through eyepieces. The user can virtually choose eyeglasses and check in real camera. AR in modern eyeglasses. AR can be used in industry and manufacturing unit. A virtual remote guidance. Use the pointer to highlight a specific part or areas. Hands overlay provide rich and instructions with your hands. You can zoom in and zoom out. Pause the video to draw the instruction, share camera screens, and many more in AR. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? We are providing AR project support in iOS and Android mobile iPad application. You may reach us through our email swiftforcat@gmail.com, or alternatively you can reach us online www.bluemangoglobal.com. We have 24 hours live chat. Leave a message, we'll get back to you. This channel provides AR mobile tutorials as well, so I recommend to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.